This first one is basically, does the dog understand how to do a mini stand stay and how to ignore hand motion? Because we're going to start with our own touching of the dog before we work on to somebody else. So I want the dog comfortable kind of ignoring our hand motion. I want the dog in control of both the start and the end of each rep, meaning that at any time in the process, they can say, stop what you're doing, and everybody will freeze and back off and let the dog kind of get it themselves. This puts the dog in control. I found it was perfect for introducing for measurement in a weird way, because I could actually like roll it on my dog and get them used to that. So that was pretty fun. First step, just your helper moving their hands in general, not towards your dog, they're just moving their hands. Most dogs are going to look at movement. So what I'm going to evaluate is how fast do they look back at me. Once he's in position, he's going to move the bar up because that's easier than going down.